If you're looking to migrate your Shift4Shop, previously 3DCart store, to BigCommerce, you're watching the right video. You have likely faced UI limitations and a clunky backend and a slow website on the 3DCart Shift4Shop platform. The reason that we know this is because we have clients on Shift4Shop and we've done custom functionalities on Shift4Shop. And if you're having these issues on a consistent basis, it might be time to migrate. BigCommerce offers a modern interface, a cloud infrastructure, competitive B2B functionalities and features, and competitive pricing. That's why BigCommerce is actually a very, very good option if you are doing anywhere between $3 million to $30 million as a platform to consider migrating to from Shift4Shop, because you can scale on BigCommerce. You can make sure that your backend admin and your functionalities are not clunky. It will work. API is very, very robust, and their template structure is a lot more optimized, a lot better optimized than Shift4Shop, and it allows you to get the order without any bugs no matter what. At Optimum 7, we have helped dozens of clients migrate from Shift4Shop to BigCommerce, and we understand both platforms at a deeper level. We basically make sure that we transfer all of your products, customers, product options, orders, your order history, all the admin settings, all the front-end settings, outside pages that you have, any integrations, customizations, as well as any product configurators that you might have built on Shift4Shop. Then we go through an API-powered migration process where we revalidate every single data, and we're talking about tens of millions of data points here. And on top of all of that, we make sure that you have the right 301 redirects, you don't lose any traffic, you don't experience any downtime, and you don't experience any bugs in your catalog when your users are trying to place orders. We don't rely on basic migration tools. This is not a $99 software. That would never work. These softwares that are in the market, they're not structured for companies who do millions of dollars in revenue, and it's very risky to use these software. We custom engineer a specific migration process for you so that we can actually increase your conversions, your usability, your engagement on your website, and any and all functionalities that you might scale with. Here is how we migrate from Shift4Shop, formerly 3DCart, to BigCommerce. Go to Optimum7.com and select eCommerce migration from the drop-down menu. Then choose the platform you are currently on and the platform you want to migrate to. In this case, it is 3DCart/Shift4Shop to BigCommerce. Next, go to the 3DCart/Shift4Shop to BigCommerce migration section, click Request a Quote, fill out your name, email address, and website URL. Then click the Let's Do This button. It is that easy. Let's break down how we migrate every single piece of your 3DCart Shift4Shop to BigCommerce. At Optimum 7, we have handled thousands of platform migrations in the past 15 years, without losing rankings, without losing revenue, and without losing customers. Here is how we do it. We pre-map your SEO infrastructure and keyword universe. We have to simply make sure we know where you make money. If we don't know where you make money, which are the most important product pages, category pages, content pages, blog pages, conversion pages, contact us pages, quote pages, we can't do this migration. So if your agency is not asking you these questions, run. We work with a test sandbox server, and everything that we work on that test server, and we send it to you for reviews and approvals, and everything is ready to go. We basically switch your name servers or your DNS settings, and the new website is up. Again, without losing customers, without losing orders. And then this part is very important. We do post-migration audits. Our QA engineers review everything. We make sure that everything is operating in the right manner. You're not getting any 404s. You don't have a decrease in conversions. All of your pages are indexed. All of your rankings remain. The performance, the speed, the compliance issues are all there. This has to be done. A lot of agencies do not do this. They just launch the site and they disappear. Our job is done. That won't work. This is why you can't do this with a freelancer. Contact us or comment below, and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.